Okay, Giuseppe, feel free to start.
Okay, why not? Well, as all of you more or less know, I'm export project management manager, and I've been for the last 10 years managing several projects to help companies to sell abroad. And I'm here just to share with you some good stuff and practices to try to develop some strategies that you could have to sell products and services not only in your market but also abroad. Okay. This is a particular period. As all of us know, this is for many sectors. This is point of no return. I mean, before COVID, we used to do some traditional stuff to sell services and products, and many of these things are changing right now, and will change again when the COVID period will be ended. And so, what this means? This means that all of us, in order to develop new strategies, in order to have new partnership, have to change something, and we have to manipulate our, our strategy to have new leverages, not just right now, but overall for the period that will come after the COVID. Just to share with you, for instance, my jobs has been affected more and more in this pandemic, because I used to meet people, I used to know new people all the days, and I used to organize physical meetings in presence with so many companies and so many decision makers, but this is changed right now. Everything is changed, and as I indicated before, it will change again, I hope, and all of us will return to the traditional humanity, that we know. But meanwhile, what? Meanwhile, we have to use the new virtual sales, thanks to the tools that the technologies offer us, to try to have another option in our normal life. So we have to change our method, just introducing new tools. And the tool that I'd like to introduce you is a very useful tool that is called the LinkedIn Sales Navigator, because it helps us to really understand the real audience that we could have in order to to develop an idea or a startups or a product, or whatever is important to us. So just to not boring you, I'd like to give you some practical tips to use this platform and software. And our friend Zack will help us just to try to use him as a startup, because we know that Zack is a professional in teaching English. So just try to think that one professional like Zack would like to celebrate. So what could be a strategy for him? A strategy could be to figure out how to search and find a partner, for instance, in Italy. Why not? So let's see how LinkedIn Sales Navigator can help us to find the right audience for his purposes. Okay, so let me share my screen with you. Just a moment. Okay. Do you see my screen? Do you see my screen? Yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thank you. This is LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and the platform is very different from the LinkedIn that all of you know. So just try to make this new project, and we are going to create a list just with this name going. Create. Okay. This is a new list. Thanks to Sales Navigator, we can create a list, and we can include to this list different stuffs like accounts and leads. So as I indicated before, Zack is going to find a new partner in Italy. So let's try to have a new search for him. Maybe we can begin searching and finding some accounts that could be useful for him. So we can target this strategy in Italy because Zack wants to sell it in Italy. And after that, the keywords could be for him English schools, because Zack would like to have a new partner in Italy that could be a school of English that is just searching for you know, for new teachers, because maybe there are some schools that would like to introduce new teachers going just with online lessons. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we have, as you can see, different schools in Italy. This is in Como. This is other Tuscany, all the parts of Italy. After that, we can select one of this and just see. We have the school with the description of the school, and we have the employees. We have 3 employees. Clicking on this, we can have also the owner of this school. And this is very interesting for us because the owner, for sure, is a decision maker. So we can just contact the decision maker, but how? How contact them? We can contact this potential prospect in different ways. One of this way is a tool called email. Email, just like a mail, but it's a mail by LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and if you see this, you can write the email and select your potential client, no matter if the potential client is not in your network. So it's a very interesting tool. But okay, for a moment, just think that we have the right audience. How and what say to them? We have another interesting tool in LinkedIn Sales Navigator that is called Smart Links. Okay, with Smart Links, we can propose some documents, some PDF, whatever you want, and this is, for instance, just a study that I did for a client, and the interesting thing is that you have a preview. You can share everything that you want. A presentation like that, for instance. This is the company that I used to collaborate with.